Hi guys, Paul,
And
the Outdoors couple. Got something to try here. I've never had one of these before. Chocolate bombs.
hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate bombs.
They're supposed to have
Marshmallows.
teeny
and stuff.
marshmallows in it.
Well, we have our camp coffee all cooked up. We just got returned from having a great day around Ohio State Park area. And time to get bombed. So you drop the bomb.
No. Yeah, you place it.
Drop the bomb. And then drop the coffee.
Pour
And then-
slowly.
And then stir it.
watch it dissolve. You're all wrong.
Okay. All right. Well, that's underwater.
Well, I'll do it that way. You can do it the bomb way.
I do like the festive leaf.
Fall wrapper.
leaf pal. Yes, I like that. All right, so.
The bomb.
All right. Pileated woodpecker. Nice, nice, nice. Over
Ooh.
here at Kentuck Falls.
Oh, that fits perfectly in the
It
bomb.
does. In the bomb. All right, so. Bottom of the bomb.
Pour slowly on my cup, please.
And watch it dissolve.
And just watch yours.
That camera
dissolve.
is doing camera things.
Is it zoom in?
It did,
and
it
zoom
did.
in, zoom in, zoom out.
It did. Watch this. Yeah?
Oh, focus on me. Focus on you.
Pileated
Focus
woodpecker.
on me. Focus on you.
Watch it dissolve.
Hot coffee.
And lean coffee, too. Smells like good coffee. And our cheese cutting board makes for a great hot plate.
Yeah.
Oh.
It was soft.
Show off bowl.
You want to play with it?
Sure, I'll play with the.
It's sinking now. Oh, you're drowning.
I'm drowning the ball.
car.
Yep, I just stab it.
It's spitting back at you. Oh, my marshmallows. Looky.
Marshmallows are coming out. It's birthing.
Slowly.
Whoa!
Oh, you're just wrecking yours.
Mine's full of marshmallows now.
Mine is expanding slowly. Oh, look.
Oh yeah, whoa! It just threw up marshmallows. That was interesting.
That was pretty cool.
There you go.
All right,
around.
yes. Yeah, I think it's extracted all of its
Let's see if
marshmallows.
Ryan likes a lot of sweetness in her coffee.
I do
so
like it
hopefully this
sweet.
is gonna be nice enough where she doesn't need any extra.
But the chocolate, like, it's not really. Mine's not melting. A wee top up, please.
Wee top up. Top up world.
Not sure it's really melting. It's like burnt.
Burnting.
Okay, try yours.
All right.
The marshmallows look good. The chocolate looks janky.
Janky chocolate.
Janky chocolate.
Who's it by? Is it Palmer?
It says it's good Belgian chocolate.
Good Belgian chocolate by.
Made with Belgian chocolate.
Is there a company name
Frankfurt.
on it? Frankfurter.
Yeah, have you ever heard of them?
Frankfurt?
Frankfurt.
No.
No.
Frank's Ford?
It's made with
Yeah,
sugar.
that's how you do it. Where's it from? Where are they
Frankfurt and
from?
Philly.
Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So you're a liar,
Who's a liar?
Frank.
Well, it
Okay.
did explode the mushrooms.
Yep.
I'd call it bomby.
Yep.
But I'd say it bombed.
the mushrooms.
What? Did I say that?
Yeah.
Marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
I got mushrooms on the mind because I just found some big woodier jelly.
Yeah. That was
I
fun.
took pictures of it. It was like a big chunk.
Big chunk.
All together still. And I was excited because usually this time of year we don't see many. Especially with all the leaf cover on the ground.
Right. They hide in the leaves and stuff. So we've
Yeah,
been
not
looking.
to say they're not there, but
No ravens yet today, but we've been seeing a lot of crows. A lot of crows.
I'm gonna have to eat it with a fork.
No.
Is it dissolving?
Yeah. I stir. She whips.
I do whip it.
Whip it
Whip
good.
it good.
The only thing that I can see with this chocolate bomb concept right now is you have to stir it so much that there's no marshmallows left.
Yeah, that's true.
Look at this. Mine is pure adulterated chocolate.
Belgian chocolate and dark coffee.
Mine's all put in there.
All your mushrooms are melted and everything.
all my mushrooms.
I say it again.
You did.
Marshmallows.
Right.
I like mushrooms.
Yeah, I know.
Mine's still chunky. Marsh. Well, I guess there were what coffees
Ooh.
that you put.
That's chocolate.
Is it sweet?
Yeah.
There's what mushroom mixes that you can mix in like coffee.
Yeah, there's a Sacred 7 mushroom mix. It's got reishi and stuff like that, turkey tail, lion's
Health and
mane, stuff like that.
memory and
Yep, health,
stuff and
memory,
such.
vitality, cancer prevention. And mushrooms are pretty awesome.
Yeah, different from marshmallows, totally. Marshmallows don't prevent any of that and probably cause a lot.
Think?
It's chocolatey.
I like it. It is chocolatey. I don't mind my marshmallows are melted. I'm okay with it. Hot coffee.
Well, the marshmallows are supposed to melt.
It is cold today. It's in the lower 40s. But we thought, we were just running around having a great time.
Not raining.
Not raining.
So that's good stuff.
Good. Most of our layers were off during the day, just having a good time.
We got extra heat candles for Marge tonight.
We got candles from Mars to keep us warm tonight. So
We're all set.
we do have I have it somewhere. Party color packet for the fire tonight that we didn't get a chance to use last night. So looking forward to that tonight. We're actually going to go, after this video, we're going to transpire to the fire and sit there instead. So
That sounds lovely.
how do you like your balm?
I'm not as offended as I thought I'd be.
That's a real...
I mean, and these are from last Christmas even, honestly.
It is last Christmas, so...
I think they sat because nobody really had...
They didn't want them, so
Want that,
we're gonna,
yeah.
I'm going to try it. I've never tried a balm.
It's good
Mm-hmm.
in our coffee.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know about in the milk or...
I don't know.
What does it say to pour on it?
Hot water. Milk.
8 ounces of hot milk.
Hot milk.
Hot milk.
I like my milk hot. Hot milk. I like hot coffee.
Well, just a wee bit. So yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. All right. I think it's pretty good. It's if I got like a cafe mocha or something like that,
Oh, great.
I think this is exactly what I would expect. So I think it's a winner.
Word. Good job. Now we don't have any more, but hey, this was tasty.
No, it's okay because they come in 4 or 5 packs I saw over at Big Lots. So.
At the holidays, and now it's the holidays again.
So we can load up on some coffee bombs.
Well, no, you wait. I'm sorry. Listen to this.
Okay.
Thrift.
All right, thrift me up.
We don't need them for Christmas, so when they go on clearance afterwards, we scoop them all up.
75% off.
Yeah, and then they're in our camping stash.
Bomb savings.
Man, it's like
It's like $1 cooler.
like thrift savings, yeah, and like a free picnic cooler basket.
Look at these fancy glasses that come with it.
They're
Super
plastic
fancy.
We washed them in the bathhouse today.
Yeah, the bathhouses are nice here, but I would take the drive because a lot of people here. The other bathhouse is private, and it's still just nice, and you could just be in a nice private area, in a nice warm, heated private area.
They're nice and warm. Oh yeah. So if you just want to take a little break and get warm, you just step on in there and wash your hands or something.
Just hang out for a bit and get warmed up.
Mm-hmm.
And when you get warmed up, you might have to go to the bathroom afterwards. So I now have the right balance of bitter coffee with sweet chocolate. Good. So now it's time to go to the fire. I think this is a pretty fun little thing. It's not the greatest thing in the world, but I definitely do that again. A chocolate bomb, fun.
Frankfurt, I'm sorry what I said about your chocolate. It's not the best tasting, but it did melt, and it's nice in my coffee.
Exactly. So give it a go. If you ever tried any of these, let us know.
I'd do it again.
Cheers.
And drink hot coffee.
Get outdoors. We'll be back.